Hello UDC community! Welcome to this tutorial on navigating the left-hand navigation bar of Blackboard Ultra. In this video, we'll explore the key sections that help you manage your academic journey effectively. Let's get started. Let's check out the institution page. This is your hub for important announcements. The Help Desk, where you can find help from the Help Hub, C.A.L, WebEx, and Microsoft. And the useful links where you can access the UDC library, learn more about C.A.L, and connect to Qualtrics surveys. Let's move to the Profile section. This is where you can personalize your Blackboard. Here you can update nicknames and pronouns to help others know how to address you, share your office location and email to help fellow Firebirds to reach you, and add your profile picture to lend a personal touch to your communication on Blackboard. Now let's look at the activity stream. Here you can find important, upcoming, and recent happenings in your courses, such as notifications of new submissions. Moving on to courses. This section is where you can find all your current and past courses, as well as course shells and your sandbox. Click on the course you want to access, and you can begin to modify and create instructional materials, learning activities, and assessments. All of this within the Courses section. Next up is the calendar. This is a useful tool for managing your course schedules. You can view your calendar by month or by day. When you create a due date on an assignment, that due date will automatically appear in the calendar. Simply click the Due Dates tab to view all course due dates. Let's check out Messages next. Find the course you want to message and click New Message. When the new message opens, type your message, select the students or instructors you want to communicate with from the drop-down menu, and then press Send. It is really that easy. Now on to grades. This section allows you to monitor your course's grades and assignment completions. To view every assignment within a course, simply find the course, click the View All Work button. By then clicking on the individual assignment, you can see individual student grades. This is just one way to access grades in Blackboard. Finally, let's briefly look at the Tools section. This area houses additional resources and utilities, such as rubrics or even the Adobe Creative Cloud. And that's it. You've now navigated the key sections of the left-hand navigation bar in Blackboard Ultra, and that will help you set your courses up for success. UDC and the Center for the Advancement of Learning thank you for watching.